Imagine having a TV that doesn't just stay in one spot but moves with you wherever you need it. This 32-inch mobile smart touchscreen offers exactly that. A portable, interactive display that's perfect for home entertainment, office use, or anywhere you need a versatile screen. With a robust 10,500 mAh battery, it keeps running for hours without needing to be plugged in, giving you uninterrupted access to all your favorite apps and media. The design is sleek and modern, built to complement any room. The wheels are smooth and sturdy, allowing effortless mobility across floors. Moving it from room to room is seamless, and the solid frame ensures stability even when interacting directly with the touchscreen. This combination of portability and premium build makes it practical without compromising style. Performance-wise, this device delivers. The 32-inch touchscreen provides vibrant colors, sharp visuals, and a responsive interface. Streaming movies, browsing apps, or video conferencing feels smooth, thanks to the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. There's plenty of room for apps, files, and media, making it function like a large-scale tablet with all the versatility of a smart TV. Navigation is intuitive. You can use the touchscreen for fast, precise control or the included remote for traditional navigation. Voice control adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to launch apps, search content, or adjust settings hands-free. Whether swiping, clicking, or speaking, the device responds accurately and efficiently. Battery life is a key highlight. With a 10,500 mAh battery, you're not restricted by outlets. This opens up creative possibilities. Outdoor movie nights, temporary setups for office presentations, or flexible setups anywhere in the home. The mobility combined with strong battery life makes this TV ideal for people who want freedom without sacrificing functionality. Connectivity is versatile. With HDMI, USB, and Wi-Fi support, you can easily connect gaming consoles, laptops, or other devices. Streaming apps, presentations, and media playback all run smoothly, offering a seamless experience for work or play. Switching between modes, entertainment, work, or interactive learning, is straightforward and convenient. Overall, this 32-inch mobile smart touchscreen blends innovation, performance, and practicality. It's not just about watching TV, it's about redefining how and where screens can be used. Mobility, storage, battery life, and responsiveness make it a tool that adapts to any environment. For home use, office presentations, gaming, or interactive teaching, this device transforms ordinary spaces into dynamic, versatile setups. For anyone looking for a portable smart TV with 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, voice and remote control, and a sleek rolling design, this is one of the most functional options available today. Check the link in the description to grab one and experience a truly flexible, interactive entertainment solution.